Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of how to make chloroplast in Blender. And in the last lecture we made the internal structure of the chloroplast, and in this lecture we'll focus on how we can make the external structure including internal and external chloroplast membrane. So you can see this is the structure that we made last time, and in this lecture we'll be focusing on this outer structure and we'll see how we can make this structure. So let's hide this one and also hide everything from the internal structure, and let's start making chloroplast. So I'm going to start from the beginning. Go to front view, shift A and insert Icosphere. Tab to edit mode, go to wireframe, and I think I'll go to vertices, then E for extrude, same thing on the lower side, E for extrude. Okay, let's see on the solid view what is happening. Okay, now it looks good. Tab, we do shade smooth. Yeah, now it looks good. So we can increase the cut. Yeah, so for that one, Control R, so increase the loop. Okay, this looks good. Same thing on the other side, Control R, increase the loop. Yeah, so go to solid view and tab out of edit mode. It looks good. So now what we'll do, we'll rotate this one RY 90. Yeah, then we need to cut this one. For that one we go to front view, tab to edit mode, and let's see how we can cut this stuff. Okay, we'll try to figure it out. So go to front view and go to wire, and I think vertices is fine. Okay, I think I might need to go to face selection, front. Okay, now I need to select all the faces on the top, so let me do it manually. Shift. Okay, now this is going to be complicated. I think I'll delete everything and I'll start with UV sphere. Yeah, so go to 64 and tab to edit mode, front view, and then go to wireframe mode, go to vertices, G for grab, this one, same thing on the bottom, E. Okay, now I'm going to increase the loops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 is good enough. Same on the other side, Control R, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, yeah, 8 is good. Tab out of edit mode, go to solid view and set it smooth. Now we need to rotate this one RY 90. Perfect. Then we need to cut the loop. For that one, tab, and then we'll cut the loop, front view, and go to wireframe, go to face selection, okay, this is face selection, and I'm going to delete it. X faces, is it perfect? Yeah, now it looks good. Tab out of edit mode, go to solid view. Yep, so this looks good. So maybe select this out, this too. Okay, now it should look good. So X, delete faces. Okay, now it looks perfect cut. So now one thing we need to do is add solidify, and this one thickness little more, right? Yeah, this will work. Yeah. Okay, we can change it later. Tab out of edit mode and insert another modifier, subdivision subsurface. So go viewport to 4, render 4. Okay, now this looks good. Shade smooth. Now we can get our internal structure. So let's show how we can get the internal structure and sphere. Okay, so we can change this one. So sphere, pull a little bit on this side. Yeah. G for grab and Y for moving on Y axis little bit, and G for grab and Z for moving on Z axis a little bit on the top. Okay, now yeah, now it looks good. Yeah, perfect. So now we need to set the outer layer. So for that one we need to go to shading, go to object, go to shader editor, new one, and okay, we need to add color ramp, and other thing we need to do is noise texture. Okay, and this one color goes to color and fact to fact. Okay, so let's get some green, dark green color. Yeah, and on this side we can get a different color. Let's see what color we can get. What color might be looking good, right? Little bit on yellow side, or we can do the shading of the green. Now we can change little bit on the pattern. So roughness up and down, right? You can see roughness up and down. We can scale it up and down, right? Scaling. Distortion, so we can change however we want. So let's make it little different, and detail 15. Okay. So we'll change the color and scale. Distortion. and maybe we can change the color a little bit on this side, right? Yeah. So we can use this one, or we can change this to a little bit on yellow side, right? Or maybe on the red side. So it's how we want to change, or go to on light side, or go a little darker. Okay, I think I like this one. Okay, this one is good. Yeah, so this is the external and internal cell membrane of the chloroplast, and this is part 2, and in the part 3 we'll be talking about the internal organelles. And yeah, thank you.